Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Ram 1500 Express Quad Cab in Delmonico Red. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, tow package, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, black rotary shifter, front armrest with 3 cup holders, split folding rear seats, spray-in bed liner, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5625.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.